In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header in Excel to span across the top of the page. Creating a header that spans the top of your Excel worksheet is a simple way to make your spreadsheet look more professional and provide clear context for the data on each page. A well-sized header ensures that titles or other information are visible when printing, giving your document a polished appearance. To begin, open your Excel workbook. If you already have a header in place, this will serve as a starting point. To check how the header looks on the page, click on File at the top left corner of the window. In the File menu, you will see multiple options for managing your workbook. Click on Print to view a preview of your spreadsheet. In the Print preview, a small window appears on the right side, showing how your worksheet will appear when printed. At this stage, you might notice that the header is a bit small and does not extend fully across the top of the page. To adjust the header size, close the Print preview and return to your worksheet. Highlight the existing header text and then expand it by increasing the font size or adjusting the row height as needed. This allows the header to become more prominent and easier to read. On the worksheet, you will also see dotted lines indicating the page boundaries, which help you understand how the header aligns with the page layout. Once you have made the adjustments, it is a good idea to check the Print preview again. Click on File, then Print, and observe the preview on the right. You will see that the header now spans across the top part of the page and appears larger, providing a clear and professional visual effect. By following these steps, you ensure that your header is properly formatted and visually consistent on every printed page. This approach works well for titles, dates, or other important information that you want to display at the top of your Excel document. Adjusting the header in this way can greatly enhance the readability and presentation of your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.